How to connect Wi-Fi without password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about if we can connect to any Wi-Fi without password or not. So let's find out. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your Wi-Fi section, and as you can see there are a lot of Wi-Fi networks currently is being shown, and you can just tap on any one of these Wi-Fi network in which you want to connect. So no matter what you do, you must enter your password to actually connect to Wi-Fi. Otherwise, if you want to get bypass the password, that's called basically hacking their other's Wi-Fi, so which is not allowed or prohibited. So to connect to any Wi-Fi network, you must enter their password just like this, and then only connect, and then only you should be able to connect to the particular Wi-Fi network. So without password, there is no way you can absolutely connect to any network unless you do the hacking or any other third-party softwares, or even by rooting your Android device, which is very harmful to your device in itself. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.